Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you top tricks for your headphones Creative Zen Pro. So the first one is you can enable ANC by pressing ANC button. And as you can see, I enable ambient mode, and if I press again I will enable ANC mode. Also, you can choose a level of ANC, so if you don't need full potential, you can just choose minimum or maximum if you like it. The next one, you have a lot of equalizer preset, we should enable it, and as you can see you have a lot for games and like normal presets like hip hop or pop. And the last one, you can enable energy saving mode or disable it, and audio prompts. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.